All right, you're welcome. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about how to transfer your page to somebody living in an eligible country for monetization. Is that okay? It is no longer news that Nigeria and other African countries are not eligible for Facebook in-stream ad monetization. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to go about it. All right, all you need to do is to transfer your page to someone living in an eligible country so that your page will be monetized. Is that okay? There is no barrier, there is nothing that can stop you from monetizing your page. All right, so long you have a page. All right, so long you are not using professional mode, so long what you are using is an authentic page, you can monetize the page. All right, so in this video I'm going to be showing you what you must do and how you'll be able to transfer your page to someone living in an eligible country, how to give them full access. You must understand, because you want to transfer your page to someone that is to monetize the page, you must understand that what you are to give them is full access. You must give them full access to the page, not just Facebook access and not just task access. You must give them full access to the page, and that is what I'm going to be teaching you in this video, how to give full access to someone that will definitely monetize your Facebook page for you. Is that okay? All right, make sure you like this video, make sure you follow this page and share this video widely, all right, so that many people can get access to this particular video. Is that okay? Let's get started. All right, guys, so to give full access to someone to help you monetize your page or to help you manage your page, as it were, all you want to do is just to go to your Facebook. All right, go to your Facebook. All right, so when you come to your Facebook, you first of all switch into the account that you want to use for that is, switch into the page that you want to give access to be monetized or to be managed. All right, so once you switch to the profile, to your page, you just come to this place. After switching to your page, you click here. All right, so when you click there, it's going to bring you to this interface. All right, as you can see, this is the page that I want to use for this particular thing, for this particular class. So when you bring you to this interface, all you want to do is to come to these settings. All right, come to your settings. All right, click on settings. When you come to settings, you come to page settings. You can see that. Click on page settings. You can see page settings for real life events and more. All right, so I'll click on page settings. That is my page. So when you come to page settings, all you just want to do now is to go to scroll down. Just scroll down. You're going to see page access. All right, come and click on page access. All right, so when you click on page access, you are asked to add someone as an admin. All right, all you want to do now is to make someone admin. All right, so to do that, simply come to this place. Come to this place where you have on add new. All right, click on add new. All right, so I will simply click on add new. All right, so when you come to add new, just read up all of this, then you click on next. When you click on next, then you come to search bar. All right, come to this place and type the name of the person that you want to invite. All right, for instance, let me say I want to invite let me use my name. All right, let me say I want to invite myself, so I will simply click on whoever I want to invite. So let me say I want to invite myself. I'm just giving you an example. Then if you read this thing, you can see all of this thing you are seeing here is the task that the person will be able to manage. The first one said the person you are inviting will be able to create content, manage or delete posts, stories and more as the page. All right, the next option, the person will be able to respond to direct messages and make calls as the page. All right, you will be able to reply messages. Number 3, it said review or respond to comments, remove unwanted content, and report activities. All right, so you'll be able to review your page and other things. The next one, which is number 4, the person will be able to create ad, manage or delete ad for the page. So the person will be able to create any kind of ad for you. All right, so the next one we have the next one, he said see how the page slash content ad performs. You will see how the page content and everything perform. Now the major one is this. All right, sorry, this last one. If you want to give the person full access, then you come here and turn this button on. All right, turn this button on. Look at what he said. Allow this person to also have full access. All right, that is full access. All right, he said anyone with full control can give access to anyone, remove anyone from the page, including you, or delete the page. All right, so if you give the person full access, it means that the person can delete the page if you want to. The person can even remove you if he want to. The person can remove other people if he want to. All right, that is why before you give somebody full access to your page, it must be somebody you know. All right, and it must be somebody you trust. Is that okay? So once you have finished reading all this, then you click on this button and turn it on. Once you turn it on, then you have given the person full access to your page. The person can manage your page just the way you yourself can manage your page. Is that okay? So after turning this thing on, make sure you turn it on. If you are giving the person full access to manage your page and to help you monetize it or to help you manage anything, make sure you turn it on. But if you don't want the person to have full access, if you don't want the person to be able to delete you, and if you don't want the person to be able to delete the page, so don't turn it on, just turn it off. All right, but if the person want to monetize your page for you or help you oversee everything that's going on the page, then make sure you give the person full access. And now if you are transferring to the person that want to monetize it, maybe somebody that is in the UK or in any eligible country, make sure you turn it on, because after transferring to the person will need to remove you before he can monetize it. Is that okay? If you did not turn it on, the person will not be able to remove you, and if they don't remove you, it will not be possible to monetize the page. Is that okay? So it is also important you turn it on. All right, after turning it on, you just come and click on this place where they said give access. All right, click on that. So when you click on that, the next thing you want to do is to come and input your password. All right, you can see that. Come here and input your password. I will click here and input my password. So after inputting my password, I will simply click on confirm. All right, I'll click on confirm. It said, and immediately I click on confirm, it said your password was incorrect. All right, so my password is incorrect. I need to type the password again. So let me check it again. So I will click on confirm again. All right, this time it's correct. You can see it has gone. He said, come and read this place. You can see what they wrote here. You say this person now, Daniel Michael, real life content. I will be able to create content, manage calls, community, and all of that. Permissions. I can also invite other people as somebody that has full access. I can also delete the page and every other thing. All right. He said invite expires in 31 days. All right. After 31 days, now that I have invited this account, they will send a notification. So if you invite somebody, they will send notification to the person. All right, so that the person can go and review and then accept to manage the page. If the person doesn't accept in the next 31 days, it will be cancelled. All right, it will expire. The invite will expire. So once you give the person access, you just tell the person that you have given him access and they will go and accept. Is that okay? Once they accept, they'll be able to manage and do every other thing. Is that okay? So that is simple. That is how to make somebody an admin to your page, or invite somebody to come and manage your page. Is that okay? All right. So that is the end of this video. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you share the video. Share the video and share it widely. All right. And also like this video. Like the video. And if you're already following, just go to the three dots that is by the side of that follow button, click on it and then like the video. All right, now if you're already following, if you want to be seeing our content every day and every moment, all the educative content that we have here, just go to favorites, click that place where you have like, right, or you have follow, click on it and then click on after clicking on um the the follow button or the like button, it will bring you to an interface. Then you click on, you make the page favorite, you click on favorite instead of default. All right, when you click on favorite, it will help you to be able to see our content anytime we post. Is that okay? So that is what I want you to do. All right, do that and be chance to have all the educative content and all the series we are going to be dropping from now. Is that okay? Thank you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.